Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Straffordville, Ontario, a peaceful and charming community located in the heart of Elgin County. Nestled in the picturesque landscape of southwestern Ontario, Straffordville is a small village that offers a glimpse into the tranquil rural life of the region. As you drive through the area, you'll be surrounded by lush farmlands and beautiful natural scenery, typical of the Ontario countryside. Straffordville is part of the township of Bayham, and its history dates back to the early 19th century. The village was named after Strafford, England, and it was first settled by pioneers who were attracted to the fertile land and promising agricultural opportunities. Over the years, Straffordville has maintained its rural charm, with agriculture remaining a key part of its identity. The area around Straffordville is rich in natural beauty, with plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities. The nearby Lake Erie provides stunning views and is a popular spot for fishing, boating, and birdwatching. The surrounding countryside is perfect for hiking and exploring, with trails that wind through forests and along the shores of the lake. Whether you're passing through or staying for a while, Straffordville offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The village's charm, combined with its beautiful surroundings and welcoming community, makes it a delightful place to visit. Thanks for watching!